Hello everyone. In this session, we are going to discuss about a web search engine, that is Google Scholar. So first of all, let's understand what is Google Scholar. So Google Scholar is a freely accessible web search engine which is used for scientific documents. Google Scholar indexes the full text or metadata of scholarly literature across various publishing formats and disciplines. Google Scholar includes peer-reviewed online academic journals, books, conference papers, theses, abstracts, technical reports, and many more. Next, why create a Google Scholar profile? So, goal behind Google Scholar is that it is like the goal of founding Google Scholar was to make scientific community more efficient by allowing easier and more accurate access to scientific knowledge. So here is why create a Google profile, that is gives a boost to your academic profile. It is the simplest way of collecting your publications and citations to them. Other people can find your work easily from this profile. By setting profile, you can choose for automatic updates, so that you don't need to spend a lot of time updating your publication list. Your profile will come high up the page rankings if the people are searching for your work. Another advantage of creating Google Scholar is that if you are working in an area that is not well covered by the Scopus or Clarivate tools, so you can use the free Publish or Parish software to analyze your citations using the data from your Google Scholar profile. Next, we have how to set your Google Scholar profile. So for that, you need a Google account. So you can use your existing account or you can create a new one also. So now for setting Google Scholar profile, you need to visit this particular link, that is scholar.google.com. So it is the interface of Google Scholar. First you will get this page, then you have to click on this particular lines and you will get these parts. So let me show you the demo of this. So for that you need to go to browser, just write scholar.google.com. So here is the page, as I'm already logged in this. So first I'm going to sign out from this account. So this is the particular page you will get first. By clicking on this, you will get these links. First of all, you have to click on sign in. Then select the ID which you want to make available on this Google Scholar. Enter the password. Now next. Now this is the page. After that you have to set the profile. So just click on my profile and just enter the details like name, then affiliation is Sanatan Dharma College, email like Shikha, next area of interest you have to mention, and home page optional. It is optional page. If you have any home page, you can enter in this particular part, then click on next. So it will show the articles related to the name Shikha. So by when selecting the articles, you have to be careful about that what articles you want to include in your profile. And also, as two persons can have same names, so you have to choose very carefully your articles. So it is showing various articles with the name Shikha. So I am just, for demo purpose, I am just selecting some papers and click on this link. For demo, I am just selecting these papers. Then it will ask you about the article updates. Just click on apply updates automatically, and profile visibility. So here you can see you have to click on make my profile public. So by this your profile will be available to others. If other persons want to search your profile, they can search your profile easily. Just click on done. So now this is the interface, or this is the page of Google Scholar that Shikha, as I'll just made this account first time, so it is saying no verified email. You have to verify the email. If you want to add your photo, then you can add your photo here. And these are the various papers which I randomly select, and it is showing here. And also related to these papers, these are the citations, H index, I-10 index. So here is the graph from 2014 to 21. So these papers are not of mine, so I am just going to check it and just delete it. If by mistake you delete some article, so you can add, or you can get it back from the trash folder. Okay, so here is all about in this video. Rest we will discuss in another section.